Our nurses, our pediatric nurses, are all specially trained and skilled in pediatric palliative care as well as hospice care. We're the only organization that has a child life therapist on staff. We also have social worker, chaplain, all that are trained for pediatric hospice care. We can all agree that children are not supposed to die. No one really wants to hear the words pediatric and hospice in the same sentence. But we strive at Hands of Hope to give all of our patients, our children, an enhanced quality of care. And most importantly, we never give up hope. We want the children to spend more time at home in familiar surroundings and less time in the hospital. But whether they're at home or in the hospital, we give exceptional care and respond to the patients and the families' needs with compassion and understanding.